right.
Good. Yeah, I have one in college,
Uh-huh.
one in high school, and then our oldest that you may recall we adopted from foster is 25 and married and living in Dallas.
Oh my gosh.
So I have a pre-med kiddo at Trinity, and then I have a one who's an avid guitar player who's going to switch over to NISA for the fall. So
Oh my gosh.
yeah,
It
pretty
is
crazy.
time like moves so fast. I remember when they were tiny.
Tiny, yes. Yes.
All right. So what is happening with this case?
Your Honor, this is my client, Tiana Cheeseman. And I have requested that we do a change in bond conditions. Mrs. Cheeseman has been residing out of the house for approximately 6 months. She's been living in her mother's house. Her mother has moved in with with my client's husband, who is present today, and their the children.
All right, State, are you going to have any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's go on the record. Court is calling NIMAG number 756623, State of Texas versus Tiana Cheeseman. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Allie Jackson.
Defense.
Sherry Dye on behalf of Tiana Cheeseman.
And are you Miss Cheeseman?
Yes.
All right, so defense is here to alter bond restrictions.
Yes, Your Honor. Currently, she has a no contact order with the felon in question. She's asking that it be changed to no harmful or injurious. I've been talking with Ms. Dye. She's been keeping up to date with the CPS case as well. CPS is okay with it if I'm okay with it. Her mother has been living in the home while she stays in her mother's home to help out her husband with the children. And they've been taking care of the kids and ensuring that she follows everything with CPS. So at this time, we're willing to change it to no harmful so she can start having supervised visitation through CPS. She's also been going to counseling and working the classes with CPS at this time.
Your Honor, actually, our request was that she be able to move back in the
Oh,
home.
yes, that's right.
So here's my question.
Mhm.
Can somebody get on the phone with CPS and have them zoom in?
Sure.
All right, let's have CPS workers zoom in, then we'll take care of this.
Okay. Yes.
All right, Miss Villegas, if you could unmute and start your video, please. All right. Thank you. We're back on the record in NIMAG 756623, Tiana Cheeseman. And this is the caseworker?
Yes, Your Honor, it is. And I apologize. I caught her off guard. So she is actually out on a visit. So she's outside of the house. So
No
I told her it
problem.
was
I
fine.
love when caseworkers do visits. All right. Could you raise your right hand for me, please, Miss Villegas? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Brittany Villegas.
All right, and what is your occupation?
I'm employed by DFPS. I am an FBSS worker with the department.
All right, and are you the caseworker who's handling or reviewing the case involving Tiana Cheeseman?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right, and are you her caseworker or the children's caseworker?
I am the caseworker for the family. I meet with everybody in the family.
All right, do you have any fear with her being in the household with the children?
I do not.
All right, any other questions?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions? How often do you go to visit the children in the household?
I visit them monthly in the household and also at school. So about twice a month.
All right. So if I allow Ms. Cheeseman to move back into the home, do you have any objections to that?
I do not have any objections with that.
All right. And can you ensure the court that you will, one, still visit the children at the home and also visit the children at the school, which would mean you're visiting them at least twice a month?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any other questions?
No, you're right.
Yes, just one. Are you requiring any form of a safety plan to be in the home other than Mr. Cheeseman at this time?
No, for now it would be Mr. Cheeseman, and what we have spoken about before is once Mrs. Cheeseman is back in the home, we would utilize her support system, which is her husband, and then also have her mother check in.
Okay, so she only needs to, Mrs. Cheeseman's mom only needs to check in. She does not need to actually reside there, correct?
Yes, correct. But if Mrs. Cheeseman, the safety plan will say that all contact will need to be supervised as of now, at least, what with the kids. So if Mr. Cheeseman's not there, I would ask that her mother would be there.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much, caseworker Villegas.
Thank you.
All right, you're excused. Oh, well, before you leave, let me let you know what the court's order is, so there'll be no violations, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
Okay.
So that will follow CPS recommendation that there's always an adult there.
Okay.
Caseworker, you have agreed that you will at least see the children at least 2 times a month, once in the home and once in the school, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's to be no harmful or injurious contact with minors.
Your Honor,
It's,
I'm
yes.
sorry to interrupt you. I apologize, Your Honor. When the court refers to minors, they are specifically referring to the minors of the family, correct? Because Ms. Cheeseman's job does require that she interact with minors every once in a while.
all right, so what is her employment?
She's a nurse.
That's fine, Your Honor, that it just be with her children.
Okay. All right,
Thank you, Judge.
so we'll do no harmful or injurious contact with defendants' minor children. No unsupervised contact with defendants' minor children. Ms. Villegas, is there anything that I need to put in the order for CPS?
No, ma'am. Mrs. Cheeseman has been working with the department really well, so there's nothing that I need court ordered.
All right, thank you so much. And thank you for all that you do. I know it's a difficult job and you all are not paid enough, but thank you.
No, thank you guys. I appreciate it.
All right, bye-bye. Is there anything else?
That's all, Your Honor. Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
thank you.
Thank you.
You're requesting a bond in each of these cases?
Yes, we're requesting a personal recognizance bond.
All right, court is calling NIGHTMAC number 761-721 and 761-718, State of Texas versus Landon Omar Kendrick. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Arlene Gay for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Kendrick?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in each of these cases, defense counsel has filed a motion requesting bonds, and she's requesting a PR bond. And in her motion, she states that the defendant has been in custody for over 90 days without indictment. State, has he been in custody for over 90 days without indictment? Do you all have a proposed agreement?
Don't believe we have an agreement. The state would recommend that on the PG1 bond be reduced to $500 and on the per building, it be reduced to $1,500.
All right, you want to talk, call your client as a witness with regards to the bonds he can make?
Well, he cannot make any bonds. His mother is here. I've talked to her about the bonds they can make.
All
And
right, does anybody want to call a witness?
sure, I'll
Okay.
call his mother.
All right, who's his mother? If you'll come forward, please.
Kendrick.
Hello. Hi. Can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes,
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Darlene Kendrick.
All right. Defense?
Mrs. Kendrick, Landon is your son, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And does Landon have a bank account?
I'm not aware of one.
Okay. Does he have any money at all?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay.
He was living
Okay.
on the street prior to this.
Okay. And can you afford the bonds? We've talked about it. Is that something that you can bond him out?
That is not something I can do at this time.
Okay. And
You're
How
talking
old?
about the 23,000?
yes,
Yeah, no, I can't do that at this time.
okay. And have you attempted to bond him out on these two felonies, which the total is 20 and then 3,000 for the misdemeanor.
Okay.
But we're just dealing with the felonies today. Have you attempted to get the money together to bond him out?
It's difficult for everyone I have tried.
Okay. And are you asking the court to grant a PR bond?
I am.
I'll pass the witness.
Any questions?
Yes, what do you do for a living?
I am retired, but I write. I do write. I'm on Amazon. I write poetry. But that's about it.
So probably nothing that I've read.
I don't think so. You might, okay.
Um,
And nobody else seems to be either.
So are you living off of savings or do you have? support
Social
right now?
Security.
And I know that we're broadcasting, so I won't try to get into too much detail, but what in general is your monthly income from Social Security?
A little over 1,500,
And what are your expenses per month?
about 1,200,
You really only have about $300.
right? But yeah, I'm very frugal.
Everything that's non-essential.
Right, well, yeah, because when I say 1,200, I mean, everything at the electricity, utility, the water, everything is in that 1,200. It's not just rent.
Speaking of which, do you pay rent or do you have a mortgage?
I pay rent.
Okay. You are here, where is Mr. Kendrick's father?
He is somewhere in the Fort Worth, Dallas area.
And has he been contacted? in
He is
regards to
aware.
him?
He is aware, but he hasn't been a president in Landon's life for over 30 years.
Probably not gonna change now. is it?
God is good. It could happen.
Could have his road to Damascus moment, but probably not.
Probably not.
That's the witness.
I have no further questions.
All right, I just have a few questions.
Yes.
If he is released, where will he be staying? Will he be staying with you or someone else?
He'd be staying with his older brother, who lives in Converse.
All
with
right,
him
and do you know, have you all talked to the older brother and he's
Yes.
okay with him staying with him?
Yes, my son, yes.
And she brought the address and the telephone number
Okay,
for us today.
He was able to make it due to work.
all right, no problem. Thank you so much for coming down and thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. One other thing, because these are drug cases, is there an issue with your son with any drug use? And the reason why I ask that is because one, he is going to get a bond set today. And my job is to set conditions so he can be successful on bond and improve his life. So if there are any drug issues in the past or currently, that's something I need to know about. So I'll know whether to give him treatment or not. Okay?
Okay, you talking about with him?
Yes.
You're asking me?
Yes.
He has had drug problems in the past.
All right. Any mental health issues?
He does have has had mental health issues.
Has he ever seen a doctor for that?
He has his medications. He should be on medications.
Do you know if that's through the Center for Healthcare Services or no?
It is.
Okay, he's saying yes. Your mom can answer. She's doing great by herself. Okay. All right. So we have the drug issues. We have the Center for Healthcare. Does he have any children?
He does.
Do you know how old they are, their ages?
Jeslie is 6. Well, she'll be 6 this month.
Okay.
She's very active in I'm a hands-on grandma.
Oh, awesome.
So,
All right. Thank you so much for giving me some insights into your son.
sure.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, come forward. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to, and NIMAC number 761721, your bond is set at $20,000. The court will grant your PR bond,
Thank you.
waive fees. Defendant is to reside with, and that's going to be your brother, and you all will put that in. Thank you. You're going to reside with your brother. You're not allowed to reside anywhere else. If there are some issues that happen between you and your brother and you need to leave, of course, leave. but you need to call and let your officer know. You understand?
Yes, I
And
understand.
you're gonna be reporting to a pretrial services officer. So you're to reside with your brother. And that's gonna be in Converse. I'm gonna order referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And I'm gonna order random UAs, waive fees. And there's gonna be 90 sober support meetings. In 90 days. And in the cause number ending in 18, your bond is set at $20,000. I'm going to grant your PR bond.
Thank you.
Waive fees. You to reside with your brother in Converse.
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting. Are you referring to the 761,718?
Yes,
Did you say that the bond amount was 20,000?
yes, that's what defense has in her motion.
It's 5, Your Honor.
All right, it's at 5,000.
It's 15,000 on the burglary of a building and 5,000 on the possession of substance.
All right, the 18, is that the burglary?
Yes. Yes.
It is, Your Honor.
All right, so your bond in that case is at 15,000. The court will grant your PR bond. You to reside and converse with your brother. There's going to be a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. There's to be random UAs, waive fees. There's going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And in each cause number, there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And that's going to be in place until you get on track.
All right.
Anything else from either side?
Want to make sure that the bonds are amount on the original one, because it's 20 total.
Well,
So
here's the
it's
thing,
15
it's a
and
PR
5.
bond, so it
Okay.
really doesn't matter.
Okay, good.
All right, so we're off the record. Here's the thing, your mom is stepping up. And I'm sure she's being more than just a grandmother to your child. She's also being a mom as well. That's your job. So you need to step up. You need to get your life together, stop using drugs. I know it's probably extremely hard, but if you don't want to do it for yourself and improve your life for yourself, which everybody should do it for themselves. But if you don't want to do it for yourself, say, you know what, I'm doing it for my child. You understand?
I do understand, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank
If
you.
nobody else is ready, we're taking our recess. Are we ready on Contreras?